You ready? So guys, this is how we're starting our vlog. It's Kit's uncle. He loves the hammock. And some people barbecuing there, some fish that they caught in the umi behind me. This is Hamahiga Island. That looks really fun. He's really good at it too. Usually when I see people try that, they just fall. He's so relaxed. Oh, I'm gonna go over here and check out the water. Look at how clear this water is, guys. I'm just gonna take off my sandals and go in. Oh my gosh, it feels great. Kind of feel like I'm moving because the water is waving. It's like the real life Iron Man. I would absolutely love to do that. And I think we need a jet ski and that thing to start doing this. Yeah, we need to sell some more shirts on Ryukyu in order to do that. So, link in the description. Also, if you want to know where I am, I did put the link in the description as well, but this is Hamahiga Island. This is like the front side of it. When you cross the bridge and you turn right, it's just the beach there. And it's actually a really nice beach. It's not, I don't think it's as pretty as the backside, but I don't know. I feel like the beach is maybe a little better if you wanted to swim. I don't know. Both sides are really nice. This island is amazing, Hamahiga. I can't get over how pretty it is here, guys. Kit and I were talking about this earlier, but on the way over here, I was looking out. We were crossing a bridge to the island, and I was looking out into the ocean, and it was just gorgeous. And then I started thinking, like, I'm so glad that I live here. And I don't know if this is the same case for you guys, where you guys are, but when I was growing up in the Sacramento area, not everyone, but most people thought Sacramento was sort of dumpy, like an armpit. They didn't like living there. But people still stay, which I can understand, because it's, you know, you build a life there, you have family and friends, maybe you get a job, you get a career, you work your way up, right, into building this life. And I think I've always sort of been the person where, you know, I just kind of always thought that wherever you live, you just don't like it because it's where you are, and you know it better than other people. So, you know, it's just sort of natural to not really like the place you live. But after moving here and kind of observing some other places, I realized that that was a thing that a lot of my friends, you know, going through school and stuff, that they said in Sacramento, and I also moved here to Okinawa, and it's sort of the opposite effect. There obviously are some people that don't really like it, but I think for the most part, most people here actually really like living in Okinawa. Take our friend Chris, he's a perfect example. Okinawa is like his favorite place in the world. And he's traveled a fair amount, he's seen a lot of things, and he still comes back to Okinawa and says it's the best place ever, and he really loves it. And he's been here for 20 plus years now, so it's not like what do you call it, the newlywed phase, or what do you call it, the honeymoon phase. And so I don't know, it was just something I was thinking about. It's something I didn't really realize. Like, growing up in Sacramento, a lot of people thought it wasn't that great. Not everyone, but a lot of people don't really think it's that great that live there. And I just kind of think, why don't you move out? But at the same time, I do kind of understand, because it's family, friends, you know, careers, everyone you know and everything you love is there. I guess I'm more the person that just would rather build a life somewhere that I want to be. So right now it's Okinawa. This place is incredible. I just look out at the ocean and I think to myself, like, it's so beautiful, and I see it and instantly I think of like vacation whenever I see this beautiful ocean. But it's not a vacation. I live here. Kit's uncle just gave up the hammock for me. I don't think it was for me. I think he just wanted to sit down normally. But regardless, I'm enjoying this.
You're gonna take your shirt off?
Yeah.
That's cheating.
Why? Why is it cheating? Let's move this stuff back. Oh, sorry. I didn't know your glasses were there. Okinawa style?
Okinawa style. Jump in.
Salty.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I got Matt to do the Okinawan style, just jumping in with the clothes on, except he cheated and took off his shirt.
Guys, it's salty. I was expecting swimming pool style.
We didn't bring any towel. Luckily I have a sun shield that.
What?
Sand in my ass.
I got sand in my ass.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, now it's a bit cold. Yeah, I'm just skin and bones though.
I know, you're freaking skinny.
Woo!
I'm like a whale.
Oh yeah, I need a workout big time. This is embarrassing looking at this on camera. Look at my arm, even looks small. And it's closer to the screen. Oh, the sun's coming out.
Oh, that's nice.
I also need a haircut. I need a full makeover. I need to just work out. Give me like maybe 3 or 4 or 5 months. Bulk up a bit. Get a nice style going. Nice haircut. Now my hair is all wet. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't look that great. Just rinsed off. There's a little rinsing thing. But I'm gonna go, guys. This was a fun vlog day. And if you don't know about Hamahiga Island for some reason, come check it out. You can drive here. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.